Okay, so I'm going to give you my whole screen. Normally, I don't. Normally, in Screencastify, I am just using my application tab, but I'm going to show you all of the kind of the magic behind the scenes, and I wanted to make sure that you could see everything and where it would be on your screen. So this is a video that's going to show you how when you're trying to present in Google Slides, there's a little tip, a little trick that you should do, and then your slide presentation doesn't take over your entire screen. And then you have the ability to actually go to other tabs if you need to while still presenting in one. So let's just say I'm either in Google Meet or I'm in Zoom and I am going to present my slides to my students. If I click present, it takes over my whole screen. But I don't want my whole screen. I want to be able to click and go to different tabs and open things up. So in order to avoid that, I'm going to click the URL and I'm going to go to the very end with my cursor. You're going to notice that there's a slash and then it says edit and then a bunch of numbers after that. Edit, number slide, and then a bunch of numbers. I'm going to actually delete. Let me just make sure I get to the very end. I'm going to delete from where it says edit on, and instead I'm going to write present. Okay, if I want to give a viewable link, so it's not an editable one, I can also do that. I could type view, but right now we're going to click present, and I'm going to show you what happens. I'm going to hit return, and then my presentation is going to move into presentation mode. So it is in present mode. So if I am presenting this in class, if I'm in Meet, that would be the Chrome tab. If I'm presenting that, if I am in Zoom, then I'm clicking which tab I'm on, right? So if I'm doing present, I still have access to the other things on my screen. So I could click into other areas and it won't show necessarily to the students that I'm presenting to. And this will remain as the presentation. So I can sit here, I can guide them through, and this will remain as the presentation. Now, this would remain, again, if I was in Chrome tab or present mode in Zoom. And in the background, let's say I'm on this slide talking, but I have something else here. Maybe it's a list of all the students in the class and I need to make sure that I'm seeing them or I'm checking something off as I'm talking about this. I could even separate that and have almost a split screen, right? Where one is in present mode and the other is stuff that I'm looking at. So it will just help you a lot to be able to do that slash present where it doesn't take over your entire screen. And that's the big tip. And then that way I still have access to my other tabs, or if I want to split it, I have access to that more easily. So slash present is your best friend. I hope that helps.